Vape mixer, vape mixer. Come gather round with vape mixer.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the Vape Mixer channel. I hope you're doing okay, because I'm doing okay too. And if it looks a little bit more out or zoomed out than normal, I mean, usually I'm a lot more zoomed in than this. That's I've had to clear my desk and lift my phone higher because somebody sent me something, and it's something kind of big. Take that however you want to take it, maybe. But the only thing I was expecting is something from HQD, because right at the start of November, HQD sent me a message on Instagram saying we would love to send you something for you to do a video on. And I'm like, you know what? Yes, send it. I'll unbox it, do a video on it. It never arrived, and I kind of forgot about it. Just completely forgot. So then at the start of December, HQD messaged me again, and it's like, well, we haven't seen your post about it yet. Have you not received it? And I'm like, no. One, nothing arrived, and two, I completely forgot that you were sending me something. So he said, okay, we'll send you a second one. The second one never arrived either. I'm still waiting for the second one. So just before Christmas, HQD messaged me again. Did you get it this time? And I'm like, oh, no, I still haven't received anything. And HQD were like, oh, we'll send you a third one. And now, finally, something has actually arrived. Now, I don't know if this is the first thing they sent and it's just took 2 months to get here, or whether this is the most recent thing and the other two are just lost somewhere in the system. It's Royal Mail, it's not exactly the best. I know it's got DPD on it, but the label says Royal Mail, and it was Royal Mail who delivered it. But the other two probably are lost in Royal Mail somewhere. Either that, or I'm going to get 2 more of these. Which, if I do, I'm going to do the same thing. I'll do an unboxing of them as well, if I do end up getting, if the other two do turn up. But for now, I've only got this one, and you can see it is kind of big. I mean, that's a Geek Vape, just to give you an idea. So it's a massive box. And I'm not even sure if this is from HQD, because the return label is some weird importer address. It doesn't actually say HQD. So this might not even be from HQD. And I could still be waiting for their package, but we will see when we open it. Initial thoughts, I'm not going to blame the sender for this, but this thing has been battered, I'm guessing, by the postal service. There's loads of holes in it. It looks like it's been thrown on the floor a few times. Again, I'm not blaming the sender, I'm blaming Royal Mail, because the state of this bag, this has been very poorly handled during shipping. So the state of whatever's inside, I don't know, but we're going to find out. And big hole here, so I might use that as my starting point and just rip and tear into it. Oh, it is from HQD. Right, is that enough to get it? Right. HQD, Merry Christmas. And I've just realised how reflective that is. You actually see my ring light, which lights my desk there. Yeah, the postal service has done a number on this. mainly on the corners. It is a little bit damaged. Again, it's the postal service. I'm gonna say that is the postal service what's done that. Let's rip off that cellophane. Let's just let's fresh the moment. I'll have a look around the box once I've got this cellophane off. Is that enough? No, I need to do more. Right, let's just throw that on the floor for a minute and put my tool away. Right, we can actually have a proper look around this now. So it is HQD. Merry Christmas. Christmas was a few days ago, but again, Royal Mail, I'm blaming you. HQD on that side. That's the back and bottom. The side, that side says let's fresh the moment, and on the other side, exactly the same. So it looks like this thing. Yep, that's where it pops. Let's have a look. Ooh. HQD, Merry Christmas. I'm not going to read that out, but the strong partnership we've built. I have done a few videos on HQD things before. Let's have a look. We have, that's a lanyard. That can go on the shelf with the rest of them. Keychain. You know, I always need a little cup. I like this. This is a nice little gift box. Now, I'm going to keep it all, preserve it. Name me one man that doesn't need more socks. And then, what's this? Is that a scarf? No, that's not a scarf. Is it? Oh, I'm hitting my camera. Oh, it is a scarf. Very big scarf. Let's fresh the moment. You know what I like about this box? I can actually post this full thing on YouTube because there's no device in it. I like that. I mean, would I like a device as well? Yeah, sure, but the fact there's no device and I can actually share this full thing on YouTube instead of cutting it up and only posting a bit of it, yeah, I like that. Is there anything under here? Oh, I don't think I was meant to take that out. Oops. But you know what? HQD, thank you very much. I really like that. For a nice little gift box. Yeah. I've got a feeling the wife might end up nicking the scarf more than me. I'll have the socks, I know that much. And a cup, we always need more cups. Yeah, HQD, thank you very much. And I wait to see if the other two will arrive. That will be interesting. If I now end up with 3 of these. Because I don't know if this is the first one they sent and it's just took more than 2 months to get here. Or whether it's the most recent one that they sent. I don't know. I could only get 1, or they could be 2 more slowly making their way through Royal Mail. I'll keep you updated if I do end up getting any more of them. But yeah, I really like that. Thank you, HQD. Much appreciated. So, yeah. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and remember the 18th of January. Ooh, got a little lump in my throat there. The 18th of January is when YouTube returns to full videos again. That's when the false strike times out. So the 18th of Jan is when YouTube goes back to normal service. So for now, subscribe, comment, and hit that like button as well. And okay, bye.